In this clip, we're breaking down the ABA's key recommendations for lawyers using AI. We'll cover competence, confidentiality, and accountability. Attorney Kelsi T. Lane gives a quick overview of how it'll affect your daily practice.
But the ABA did just come out with kind of a long list of concerns to have in using AI. First and foremost, if you are using just free Chat GPT or any kind of just free basic AI platform, Simon, anything like that, you're gonna want to be very careful about the information you're putting in there, because that information is part of the learning process of that AI program, and it will take it and keep it and share it with everyone, and it'll be part of the system. So you want to make sure that you're not putting confidential information into those systems. There are programs you can buy, you just have to pay for them, where they do claim that they're firewalled. Microsoft Copilot is part of the Microsoft 365 system, and they do claim that that information is firewalled as part of your Microsoft 365 subscription. And so you just want to make sure that if you are using client information, that you are using something that has a firewall, and that is not just becoming part of kind of the AI population of information. You also want to be careful if you have any proprietary documents that you guys created, that you're not really popping those into the free version, because again, it can just become part of what it spits out. And I don't know if you want to spend a bunch of time creating documents to then just have it spit out freely to AI users. So you want to be careful with that. And then there's competence. So making sure that you understand the information that you're putting into documents, and you're not just copying what AI says because it sounds good, because as we discussed, it's not always necessarily right. And so you need to know what you're doing and whether it's right or wrong. And then the ABA did bring up that you might have to disclose to clients if you're using AI. That's kind of an interesting topic. When do you not have to tell clients that you're using AI behind the scenes? And so that's kind of a new emerging issue. And I don't really know when exactly you have to. They were kind of unclear, but just know that that is a topic being discussed. And then just watch your employees using AI too, right? So you don't want to be super careful in keeping all your documents protected and safe and all the client information. And then you have like a law clerk or a legal assistant or someone who is used to using this and just popping all of your information on there, not thinking about the confidentiality. Because remember, as the attorney, you are responsible for your staff as well.